Hi, good morning. This is Tuesday, the 15th of August, and right now we have this opportunity on the 5TT candle reversal system, and it's on the USD CAD, US dollars against the Canadian dollar daily time frame. And what we have here is a bullish doji formation. And so we have, first of all, the doji candle. And yesterday we had a bullish confirmation up here. And so at the end of the day, we now have a confirmed signal setup. And so we have placed a buy order about 5 pips above the high of the bullish confirmation. And so if price continues to go to the upside, we will be in profit. If that takes us in and then reverses to the downside, then we could potentially be at a loss. But if you look at what's been happening over the past few days, you can see that price has been pushing to the upside. Now, in reality, this is somewhere we need to be very cautious about, because this is actually a level of resistance around here. So if we're going to take this trade, we've got to keep an eye on it so that we don't get hit and then start to push to the downside. But we're set. The signal is set, and let's see where that takes us. And this is what I mean by having a level of resistance there. So that level is a level of resistance, NTP line 1. So let's see what happens as the day progresses. Now the trade has been filled in, and with this technique, it is I've got multiple trades on various levels, and it has a very tight stop loss. So the stop loss is below the low of the entry candle, and we expect price to push to the upside, and we just take multiple levels of profit, and the take profit is there. So let's see how things progress by the end of the day. All right, see you soon. Cheers. Okay, let's see how things turned out. This is a day later, and as we remember, we got into this trade around here, and we were expecting price to move to the upside, and yes, it did go yesterday to the upside. It did about 39 pips to the upside, but you can see this long tail to the top, which actually does not show commitment to continue to the upside. But however, we did make some pips on this. It's about 39 pips of profit on that. So what I've done is actually closed my trade, but what could happen with this is just leave a little portion of the trade open and just see how price progresses over the coming days. But yes, price did what we expected it to do, because this is a bullish formation, and yes, indeed, yesterday price showed a bullish move. And if we look at the chart with the support resistance lines on, we can see that price actually broke that level of support I was cautious about yesterday. Sorry, that level of resistance that I was cautious about yesterday, and closed above it, which suggests that price may continue to push to the upside. And what you've seen today is that price has actually touched that level, retesting it, but hasn't broken it yet, but the day has just started. So if we have price close to the upside again above this line, and this line now turns from resistance and becomes support, then we could potentially be looking at price continue to move to the upside. So it's exciting. Exciting again, proves that this formation is quite reliable. All right, so that's it for this video, and let's see what price delivers to us today. Cheers.